So on a noisy day with all the traffic, we're going to be taking down an awning, tearing down something instead of building. But it has been here a long, long time. The guy was proud of it because it was signage that the city couldn't tell him he couldn't put up. So we are now taking it down because he's selling the property. And here we go. We're going to take the electrical loose first. So now, well, this awning is held by zip ties. Right here, can they see that? And we're just going to cut those. And then pull that off, so you'll see it on time spiral video.